Based on the new high-quality standards for mathematics, what should principals be looking for when observing instruction in the classroom? We suggest that principals shift their focus from teacher actions to student actions during K-12 math class observations to show that student-centered learning, not teacher-centered teaching, is highly valued. This session's student behavior look-fors are around Standard for Mathematical Practice, or Process Standard 5. Use appropriate tools strategically. When solving a problem, proficient students of mathematics make sound decisions about using tools. So look and listen for students considering tools such as writing utensils and surfaces, concrete models, calculators, rulers, protractors, spreadsheets, dynamic software, and online or other useful resources. Proficient students choose tools appropriate to their problem-solving strategy and recognize the insight to be gained from the chosen tools, as well as the limitations of them. They change tools as needed until they find one that provides adequate support and leads to relevant conclusions. When making mathematical models, proficient students know that technology can help them organize options and compare data, and identify relevant external mathematical resources such as digital content located on a website, and use them to pose or solve problems. Mathematically proficient students use appropriate tools strategically. Do you see evidence of students considering and choosing tools appropriate to their problem-solving strategy? Recognizing insights and limitations of tools. Changing tools. Using technology to make models, organize options, and compare data. And identifying external resources useful in posing or solving problems. In the next session, we'll provide look-fors around Standard for Mathematical Practice, or Process Standard 6, Attend to Precision.